Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro has a multitude of different support features. Answers to almost any QuickBooks question can be found by using the QuickBooks Desktop Help feature, which lets you search for help topics by subject and display the information that is found. Another help feature is the online QuickBooks Support that can assist you with technical support for your QuickBooks Desktop Pro software and also let you search for online help topics regarding the QuickBooks software. Let's review some of the various help features available within QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2019. The QuickBooks Help, which you can access by choosing Help, QuickBooks Desktop Help from the menu bar, lets you search for topics within all the local and online help resources for additional assistance. QuickBooks Support, which you can access by choosing Help, Support from the menu bar, lets you contact someone in customer support directly or search the online database for an answer to your questions. The What's New feature, which you can access by selecting Help, New Features, What's New from the menu bar, lets upgrading users quickly familiarize themselves with the new features in QuickBooks as they open windows within the program. The Year-End Guide, which you can access by choosing Help, Year-End Guide from the menu bar, is a checklist that lists the steps you should review at the end of your business year.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.